honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm going to show y'all something and give you a few minutes to guess what it is. Y'all know what this is? I was wondering what these folks... I ordered one thing from Amazon, and then this came in the mail. Got all these things. I think I got 200. It was a good deal, and they all look like this. What in the world? Let me show you what it is. They're shower caps, y'all. Let me see how you open this. Shower caps. But I didn't buy them to use as shower caps. I bought them for bowl covers. You know, like when you have leftovers and you got to put in the fridge. Or if you're outside eating, it'll cover up stuff. This is one of my rice cooker pots inserts. I don't like putting real pots in the fridge, but I will put my rice cooker thing in there. I got a set of stainless steel mixing bowls. It won't do the largest two, but it'll do these. Nice. You want to make some potato salad. Fits on the bowls nice. But to fit this size and anything smaller. Let me do the small one. You have to tuck it some, but it still fits. The food will still be covered. I'm gonna go get a dinner plate. I'll be back. Okay. I went in the kitchen and got this bowl I eat out of all the time. Covered it up. In case I wanna, I don't know, just wanna cover up my food. Cover up this square plate. Cover up this large dinner plate. I like these a lot. I'm going to try again to cover up this big mixing bowl. I don't like nothing to outdo me. Let me see. I don't know. A lot of times I marinate stuff in my bowls. No, it ain't going to work. It might tear. It is tearing. Oh, it did tear? Oh. It tore, but this bowl is covered. It's still covered. It's a nice tight seal. So I'm able to marinate stuff in a big bowl. I don't know what diameter. Oh, I got a big measure right here. "11 inches. How big is this plate? This plate looks bigger. Oh, it's 11 inches also. So, I just want to show y'all these shower caps that I use as bowl covers. Of course, you can use them for anything you want to use them for. But that's what I bought them for. And buying 200 was a great deal, so I just went on and got them. So, I want to thank you all. Trying to see what else I can cover up. Sure, I'll find something else around here. But I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll put the link to these, I'm going to call them bowl covers. Oh, if you want to condition your hair, put the conditioner on your hair and put one of these bad boys on. So, I'm gone for real now. And look for the link in my description box. Okay, y'all be blessed.